Now, I'd like to invite you to something that I think is going to be something you want to be at. So now, if you're serious about the boiler industry, the 2026 American Boiler Manufacturers Association Boiler Expo, it's not optional. It's essential to what you're doing. Now, steam is the backbone of America. It powers our hospitals, our food, production, our manufacturing. Everything that keeps this world moving depends on reliable, efficient steam. Behind every system is a team of people who have to get it right every single day. Now, that's why this expo really matters. The Boiler Expo will have exhibitors from leading boiler manufacturers and suppliers in the industry. If a product is in the boiler room, it will be at the Boiler Expo. You're not just walking a trade show, you're stepping into a full experience. You'll get hands-on access with live boiler room tours, see real-world equipment in action, kind of like this one back here, and walk through a mobile boiler parking lot that brings the scale of our industry to life. Now, this event, it's packed with educational sessions that will make you sharper, safer, and more valuable the moment that you get back to work. And ABMA is bringing a keynote speaker that we're all excited about, and that he understands performance at the highest level, NASCAR legend Rusty Wallace, who will challenge you to think differently about leadership, focus, and winning when it counts. This is where the best in the industry show up, learn, and actually get better. Now, we'll see you in Nashville at the Gaylord Opryland Hotel on April 1st and 2nd. Stop by our booth and pick up the industry's most popular boiler free t-shirt. Don't miss it. We would love to see you there.